Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are y'all doing today? I finally got my BoxyCharm after a lot of days. I can't remember how many days exactly, but I do know that it got lost and they finally found it, I guess. So, and I have already opened it. I already done my makeup with it. That's what the inside looks like. Here's the card. The first thing I received is the Starlux eye pencil. And it's a roll-up pencil. And I got my color in brown. And I actually did like it. It did go on pretty good. I saw a bunch of reviews where they were saying that's not very pigmented, not very dark, but mine's brown. It's not black. And, I mean, it's not bad. So, I don't know. Maybe the black is. I don't know. But the next thing I got was the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. That's what the packaging looks like. And the inside, it is super pretty. But I really like that. The next thing I got was the Ofra lipstick in Havana Nights. This is the one I wanted so bad because everybody was saying it was the perfect burgundy, and it is. I love it. And that's what the applicator looks like. And I really like this applicator because it didn't smear the product all over my face. It made it really easy to line my lips first and then put it on so it wasn't all over my face. The next thing I got was the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. And in my BoxyCharm Best and Worst video, I wasn't a fan of this. I didn't like the smell of it too much, but I figured out that if I spray more in my hair, it actually helps with the frizz and stuff. So I take back everything I said about this. Super glad I got a second one because I kind of made me love it. Okay, and the last thing I got was the 2 Tatcha mask. I'm really excited to use these. I'm probably going to use one tomorrow or maybe tonight. I don't know. But that's all I got in my box. The card. The Briogeo Don't Despair Repair is $16. The Ofra lipstick is $20. The Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palette, $36. The Tatcha face mask were $24. And the Starlux Longwear eye pencil is $19. So, that brought my box to a grand total of $115. Anyone that doesn't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a $21 a month subscription, and to get $115 out of $21 is pretty good. And I'm not even gonna lie, I have been wanting this palette for like 5 months. I just didn't buy it, and I'm glad that I did not. But yeah, so BoxyCharm, I love it. It's really, really good. Don't forget my giveaway on my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box unboxing. You still have time. I still have 2 days left till it is over, and I will be doing the giveaway Saturday at noon Central Time. So, that's when that will go up. And all you have to do is subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. And comment on the video. That's all you have to do. And for an extra entry, share the video, but you have to let me know that you shared it because it don't tell me. So, but anyways, I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see y'all next time. Bye!